Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. Yes, this is just my regular $13 a month IPSY Glam Bag, but it came in this huge mailer this month. But I am still going to be getting the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I was like, wow, I didn't know my Plus had shipped. It hasn't. This I think is just my regular glam bag, and I'm not sure why it's in this big mailer. But here on my YouTube channel, I unbox all of my monthly beauty subscription boxes, plus other subscription boxes that I get along the way because I love unboxing subscription boxes and just beauty products in general. But I have already unboxed my BoxyCharm base box. So that is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But my other BoxyCharm premium box, the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, those will hopefully be coming soon. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss those. But also I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I'm not going to be swatching and trying on the makeup products that I get in this bag right now, because I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup that I get in IPSY and BoxyCharm. So if you like makeup reviews and tutorials, another reason that I would love for you to subscribe. But I am so excited to see what's in this mailer, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here's what's in the mailer. This is a pretty bag, like kind of like a faux leather with wave texture and this cute starfish charm on the zipper. And then outside of my bag, what is this? Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. Squaggles, shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in treatment. Is this part of my glam bag? What a cute travel set. Wow, this is a great size. 1.69 fluid ounces. That's what they all are. Shampoo, conditioner, and a spray. Yay! I'm excited to try these out. I'm not familiar with this brand, Head Candy. I don't get too many hair products in IPSY or BoxyCharm, so it is pretty exciting when I get some. But when it's like a skincare mask or something like that, that I feel like I get all the time and I don't want, and I put that on my quizzes and my reviews, that's when I get frustrated. But a hair care set, I will take. Let's see actually if I have product information in here so I can figure out if this is part of my glam bag, because that's a great product if it is. Yes, it is. The Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. It's a travel set that retails for $15. That's a great kind of, it's like a 3-in-1 product because you get 5 products in your IPSY Glam Bag, and this only counts as one of my products. But let's see what else. This bag seems a little empty. Oh my gosh. And this seems very empty. Is this opened? No, it doesn't look like it's been used, but this packaging is like barely filled. This is from the brand Barefoot Venus, which I really like this brand. I love the smell of their products, their creams, their body washes and scrubs. And this here is the Macadamia Oil Body Cream. Ooh, like this would be a good sample size, except for the fact that it's literally like 3/4 of the way empty. So the Barefoot Venus Macadamia Hand Cream. That's funny. This says it's hand cream. This says body cream on it. I guess hands are part of your body, right? The full size of this retails for $10. That's not too expensive. See what this smells like. Ooh, it does smell really nice. It's the scent Ruby Red, and it smells like grapefruit to me. Ooh. Okay. Next up, I've got, this is a perfume from the brand Catherine Malandrino, Unconquered. So I recognize this brand of perfume through IPSY, and I actually love to get perfumes. This is some nice travel packaging. This is like a whole travel set, but no makeup yet, just all sorts of like self-care, body care products, which I am excited about, but I want to see some makeup. But let's see. The scent Unconquered. I wonder what that smells like. I'm gonna give it a try. smells very nice. It smells familiar. It's hard for me to pinpoint, so let's see if I can read the description. It says, immediately awaken your senses as each spritz engulfs you in notes of orange and bergamot. Just one spritz of this fragrance will transport you. I was getting more of like a coconut, tropical, kind of pina colada type smell. Well, it's not super potent, more of like a body spritz is what it's kind of reminding me of, but I love to change up my scent, and it's not like my favorite scent. It doesn't smell the best on me, but I think I could use it, but not one I would want to purchase in the full size. Let's see. The next products, oh yeah, seem very small. Oh, but this is from MAC. MAC Stack Mascara. Super Stack Mega Brush. The tiniest little sample. But I love trying out mascaras, and I'm excited to see MAC in IPSY. So, well, this is one makeup product that I'll be able to do a full dedicated review video on. Let's get a little sneak peek at this wand. Ooh, I'm intrigued by this. It's a very spiky wand that gets very short at the top, a little bit longer towards the bottom. Yay. So the MAC Stack Mascara, this is of course obviously a sample size. The full size retails for $28. So this will be a good way to test and see if I'd want to get the full size. And then my fifth and final product in here is an eyeliner from the brand Prestige. Waterproof automatic eyeliner in the shade Smoky Green. So eyeliners, even though I like makeup products, eyeliners are a type of product that I have told IPSY I do not want to get. So it's a little frustrating to see an eyeliner in here, but at least it's not a black eyeliner. I do like the sound of smoky green. I have green eyes, so I do like green eyeliner. And this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with, Prestige Cosmetics. And that's one thing that I love about these beauty subscription boxes, is getting to learn about new makeup brands. And I have tried out so many makeup products, and the fact that there are still makeup brands that I get pretty much every single month in my beauty subscription boxes that I've never heard of, I just think is so fun and exciting. So excited to see what this brand is like. The Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in Smoky Green. This is full size, retails for $8. I'm actually really excited to see more of that lower price point. I feel like that is rare to come by now too. So a pretty good range of products this month, but I just don't feel like it's the most well curated to my preferences. So I'm happy overall with these products, but it's not my favorite box ever. I'll do a quick recap though. I got the Barefoot Venus cream, hand cream, body cream, whichever it is. The Head Candy hair care set, the Prestige eyeliner, the MAC mascara, and the Catherine Melandrino perfume. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of them. And of course, I would love to hear what you got in your July 2022 IPSY Glam Bag. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.